Warning, this video may cause you to retire your vinyl cutter. You know, if you're in the vinyl sticker decal business, you already know the drill. It's slow, it's tedious, and let's not even talk about wasted material. But what if there was a way we could ditch all that hassle and improve the efficiency of our production? Today we're diving into why UV DTF, especially the Aries line of UV DTF printers, might just be the biggest glow up for your vinyl business. The Aries line of UV DTF printers are all-in-one solutions, producing finished transfers that are ready to go. Graphics are first printed onto a special A film and cured instantly with UV light. The roll is then fed through a low-temp, built-in laminator and married to a B filmer, carrier sheet. And this is all before being wound up on a conveniently attached take-up reel system. No limit on colors, no heat press required. These high-resolution images are all pressure applied. So aside from not requiring any additional equipment to produce or apply, what really separates this print method from, say, sublimation, the main go-to for hard surface item customization, this machine prints white ink, meaning we can decorate items sublimation cannot. For more information on everything UV DTF, what's involved, how it works, check out this video by clicking up here. Have you worked with UV DTF before? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. All right, let me start by saying we do love vinyl here. Glitter, brick, puff, etc. They're all great tools to work with. What we don't love is the cutting, the weeding, and the layering tiny pieces by hand, one at a time. Color limitations, tedious labor, and slower turnarounds. Sound familiar? And let's not even talk about scaling. More orders can simply mean more time hunched over a cutting mat. Now picture this, no cutting, no weeding, no layering. Full color, high detail prints. Simply print, apply, and done. That's UV DTF. And with the Aries line of UV DTF printers, you can achieve this at insane speeds with stunning color and durability that laughs in the face of weather. We must address the elephant in the room. UV DTF is not entry-level pricing. Now vinyl setups are cheap, and for many of us, even the gateway into apparel decorating. UV direct-to-film, not so much. But here's the thing. You can't feasibly scale with vinyl. More orders just means more work. With UV DTF, more orders just means more profit. So think about it. Labor cost, slashed. Material waste, barely exists because we're really only using what we print. And the speed, ridiculous. UV DTF flat out lets you produce more with less effort. So while the initial investment may be higher than other options, the long-term gains can be exponential. So real talk. Who should get into a UV direct-to-film setup? Well, obviously the answer is everybody. Duh. Just kidding. Look, if you're only making hobby stickers for personal use, this machine might not be for you. But if you're running a business and you want to scale, you gotta at least consider it. The Aries line of UV direct-to-film printers are built for high-demand shops who want that speed, that quality, that scalability, without all the steps of vinyl. Aries UV DTF is also available in 24 inches. Same great quality, industrial size physical footprint. If you guys have questions on either of our UV direct-to-film printing options, let us hear in the comment section down below. Look, vinyl had a great run and is never going anywhere. But if you're ready to upgrade, UV DTF is the move. And with the Aries line of UV direct-to-film printers, you're getting top-tier efficiency, durability, and print quality that will blow your mind. So what do you think? Is UV DTF worth the investment? Want to see a live in-person or virtual demonstration with your artwork? Let us hear it in the comments. And for more in-depth analysis, walkthroughs, and product spotlights, make sure to subscribe to All American Print Supply. We'll see you on the next one.